Alright, this bad boy, it's a 740. This tractor, she's got wheels. Now, I don't know if you know this, but some tractors don't have wheels. That's customary to improper care. These babies got wheels that have rubber on them, and it also is made of metal. Sometimes tractors aren't made of plastic, but this one's made of metal. This baby's an Oliver 1850. That means there's 1,850 of them that were made, and then they're all destroyed just because this one's superior. This baby's got a plug here. You can jam it in your phone somehow. It's got circular tires as opposed to the square babies. It's got a big pipey. The big pipey's used for the exhaust, I'm pretty sure. Then you got the white seat for them vans. This baby here has the white features. It's customary with the tractor. She's got a big pull thing. It's got the tiny tire with the big treadies, and it's got the yellow inside, so you know that they painted it. And then it's got the yellow seat here, so that you know it goes with your yellow shoes or when you're peeing. You see these babies? This baby drives forward. She comes right this way with like a powerhouse. She even got the weights on the front, so that if you ever are in trouble, you can just, and that's how you work out. That's the workout place. Now this bit right here, it's got the treads, like it probably should. And it's got wires here that if you unplug, something will happen. It's got lights so that you can have your gazebo here too. Now if it's got the seat facing the wrong way, that's not a problem. You can just turn it around probably. You know where that red triangle is telling you it's going slow? She's a powerhouse. She'll go 4 miles an hour. This way. That's hard to find. That way. Alright, this baby, it's not as good as the deluxe feature, but she's still got the tire slaps. She's got metal, which is always good. She's got some of these cables, but if you pay an extra $2, you can get the standard issue stabby. Which, by the way, works great for the living undead.
Come on. Who says turkeys can't fly? Okay, butter. Yes, slowly. It's slippery like butter.
The turkey is your
Where'd the butter come from? Oh my god.
Use it like a paintbrush.
No.
Drop it.
No.
Drop it.
No.
Drop it.
No. Here, Patrick. All right. Play. No, play with them.
In the prison, I got a nickname. They called me Oscar the Grouch.
Why is that?
I think it's because of my body shape.
Prison has changed.
Go back down. Go back down.
We need to cue you.
Yeah, we gotta cue you. Get back down.
For Daniel playing epic sax on.
I said word.
It's supposed to be part of the bit.
Okay.
I just farted.
All right, just yes.
Crispy. You call it when you draw on a baby? Graffitis. Man, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do in this house except for play video games, and that's great and all, but I respect my mom's financial responsibility, and I can't always buy the newest Fortnite skins, so it makes the game boring. But I would like to do something physically to keep fit, but I'm too bored and dumb.
Did someone say bored and dumb?
Yeah! Wow! The noodle! I've heard about these things on TV. You can... And then you can... Yay, the noodle!